Step back, go back, please.
அப்படியே எல்லாரும் ஓகே ஓகேங்கப்பா அப்படியே கோபி இந்த கதை கேதுங்க தினம் தினம்
श्री गणेशाय मंगलम् सर्वचरित्रे सर्वमेवरेणाप्नोति सर्वं जयति स्वीकरञ्च पवित्रञ्च सोहरोगनिवारणं लोकवस्य कदाधिके त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमो देवी सर्वभूतेषु
Not relief.
Yes. See, wherever there is no BJP government, they are doing partition. Unnecessary, they are creating problem. You see, they wanted to take the powers of the state government in the administration of the institutions also. They want more powers. So they are not giving proper funds to the non-BJP ruled states. That is why all of them are fighting our right, our tax. So whatever we are paying to the central government, we are not getting proper benefit for the states. So let us all fight together.
Guarantee News. Suddhi Kachita. Nyaya Nishchita.